Hi, good day. So today we are going to learn how to create a folder and to copy and paste files into that folder and also to rename files. All of this will be essential in the uploading of your SBA for CXC. Now I prepared a PowerPoint presentation here, and when you're creating a uploads to CXC, there are three files that you need to create. You need to have the student's SBA file. You also need to have a completed cover sheet. This must be in a PDF format. And you also need to have the student's mark scheme. The student's mark scheme is not compulsory, but if you do have it as a separate file, you can in fact load it up together with the student's SBA. There are different naming conventions for the SBA file, and I'm just going to briefly go through this here. You will see how it's actually done when I'm creating and renaming the file. So to name the actual student's file, the student has been assigned a 10-digit number by CXC. So you will need that together with the SBA moderation code, which is 8 digits. In the fifth slide, you will see a listing of all the CXC moderation codes for all the various subjects. And this, depending on how many documents you have for a student, you will have to put either a -1 or a -2. Most students would have one SBA file, but if for some reason they have two files, then you can also have that. So if a student once you have all this information for a student, you can go ahead and name a student's file. I'm going to show you how that's going to look like in a little bit, but as I said, it consists of the candidate's 10-digit number, the 8-digit moderation code, and it'll be a -1 if it's one document or a -2 if it's two documents. So I'm going to just pause for a moment here in terms of naming an SBA file, and I'm going to show you how to create a folder and to save this file into a folder. Okay, so you need to first go to the spot where you'd like to create your folder. You can create your folder on your desktop, or you can create your folder in your documents. It's entirely up to you. Today I'm going to show you how to create a folder on your desktop. So it's very simple. You go to that area, you right click, and you select new, and you select folder. There you have just created a new folder. I would advise you to give that folder a name. So let's say the name of my student is Jane Doe. I'm going to name my folder Jane Doe. And right there, I have created my folder. I now want to put a file into this folder. So once I find my file that I want to put into the folder, in this case, it's this file here on my desktop named Jane Doe. I would like to put this Jane Doe file into my Jane Doe folder. So all I have to do is right click on the file, select copy, then I'm going to right click on the folder, and I'm going to select paste. If I look into this folder, I'm going to see that my file is there. Now I'm going to try to name this file using the convention that we've just learned for what I showed you, what CXC's convention is. Now if you remember carefully, CXC's convention starts with the candidate's number, right? So we can, in fact, if we're using this example here as the candidate's number, let's just go back to the PowerPoint. Just going to minimize this a little bit so that I can have two things operating at the same time. So it's very easy. Inside that folder, I right click on my file, and I select rename. Here I want to give this file this particular name. So my candidate's number is 10005010000. My moderation number is 1229090, and then I do -1 and I hit my enter key. There I have renamed my file. So we've done three things so far. We've learned how to create a folder, we've learned how to copy a file, and paste it into that folder, and we've learned how to rename a file.